Apo Whang-od plays the nose flute. I want to see this. I've never seen the great Apo play the nose flute, and we'll see. I'll offer this instrument to her. She's examining my nose flute, and it's not the real deal, but for me, it's the real deal. It's a fake, but with Apo Whang-od playing, she played on that, so it's gonna be the real deal for now. Oh my gosh.
Wow, that's good.
I interview.
She's better than you.
I know. This is way better than a tattoo.
Good. Woo!
Dapat palawakin yung... the hole should be bigger. The holes are smaller. It's not as good. But for me, it's the best.
Keep going, keep
Mas
going.
malaki daw! At rest?
Butu.
Butu.
Utin.
Butu is the bigger one. Utin is the smaller penis.
Butu baba. Utin ang taas.
Ah.
What is that?
Depends on the size. Utin is the smaller penis.
Listen, she should know that they get bigger and they get smaller.
Di ba, lumalaki yan? May palaki, maliit. Depende sa...
They're not always small.
Depende sa malaki.
This is Joan of Arc here, hanging out, chilling with Apo Whang-od herself. Until our next video. Like, share, subscribe. Apo Whang-od is a really big critic. It's hard to please her in terms of art and music. So for her to praise me in my little effort of playing the nose flute, it's huge for me. I can now practice on this flute, learning from her techniques.